Are you tired of living check to check as a welder and you've been welding for some time now, maybe a few years, 5 to 10, and you've been wanting to turn your welding money into some passive income? Maybe start you a business, a side hustle, get some of your ideas off the ground. If that's you, I have an ebook coming soon, The Richest Welder, Mastering Skills and Money in the Trade. I'm going to give you everything you need so that way you can put them together with your skills and start making finances. And the first rule is it takes money to make money. This ebook is only $47. $47. With this investment, you're going to be able to use this money to be able to make you more money. So think of this as your first stop into building your own independence. I swear I got everything you need in there. Plus, coming soon behind that is going to have a course if you want to take it to really fine tune your skills. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Hold on.